In an active oh, yeah. In the silence of the night, I wrestle in this hidden fight, alone beneath the darkened sky. No more strength and no more pride, face to face with all I fear, with every doubt that brought me here. I won't run, I won't release, till your promise rests on me. Break my will, but not my hope, touch my life and mark my soul. I won't let go until you bless me, even if it costs my strength. Leave a mark that will remind me I was changed within this pain. Give me more than what I see, shape my heart eternally. Through the night I will believe. I won't let go until you bless me. Now I'll stand here in this place, needing mercy, needing grace, not for riches, not for fame, but your hand upon my name. Bless my home and bless my days, bless the steps along my way, bless the work inside my hands. Let your favor on me stand. If I live, let it be proof I have wrestled here with you. I won't let go until you bless me, even if it costs my strength. Leave a mark that will remind me I was changed within this pain. Give me more than what I see, shape my heart eternally. Through the night I will believe. I won't let go until you bless me. Change my name, rewrite my story, turn my weakness into glory. What was fear becomes surrender. In your presence I remember you are near. You fight for me, dawn will break and I'll be free. I won't let go until you bless me, even if it costs my strength.